this right here, guys, is a 40-inch monitor from INNOCN. Boom! The user manual right here and calibration. This is color calibrated, so that's perfect for photo editing and video editing. Color correction is very important. Some cables right here, lots of cables. Boom! USB-C to USB-C cable right here. HDMI to HDMI cable right here. The AC power cable right here. Boom! This is the power cable. Boom! 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 We got the base right here. That's a heavy base. I like it. It's a weighted base right here. Solid. That base, make sure that the monitor ain't going nowhere. Boom! Monitor stand right here. This is how you stand up the monitor. This monitor is super wide. The INNOCN 40-inch 21x9 3440 by 1440. It's huge. You get the power buttons and some adjustments. Power button right here. Some adjustments right here. You have the power input right here. This is where you plug in the power cable for your monitor. And on this side, 2 HDMI input, 1 display port input, a USB-C input, and an audio input. You got the mount right here to mount it to your stand. This monitor is huge. The arm here, this thing goes together like that. This thing pops up, so you have a little handle to screw. Very easy, very solid. Simple but effective way to tighten this thing up. And then you flip this around, and now you can mount your monitor on this baby. This thing, you can swivel left and right for the monitor. The up and down is a spring tilt. Take the monitor, and we are going to attach it to the stand down here. And then it's going to snap in. Boom! It locks in. Oh, it's solid. That ain't going nowhere. Our 40-inch monitor is on a stand. So you have the range, you can turn it on the stand. How nice is that? You can tilt it up or you can tilt it down. You can also lower it down or lift it up. You can tilt up, tilt down, turn right, turn left. That's a lot of degree of freedom right there. This is the INNOCN 40-inch monitor. 40-inch monitor. IPS panel. 3440 by 1440 resolution. This thing has 144 Hz refresh rate, USB-C input, display port input, 2 HDMI input. It's sweet. With the monitor, you got a bunch of cables. So this cable right here is to power the monitor. 2 input cables. This one is the HDMI to HDMI, and right here you have a USB-C to USB-C cable. AC adapter cable right here. This one is gonna plug into our monitor. This is our power cable. We got a little MacBook right here. We are connected to our 40-inch monitor right here. It's USB-C. Connect that to the monitor. The monitor now has USB-C connected. Connect the cable to our laptop right now. Push the power button. INNOCN! The monitor's powering up. Monitor, power on. Look at that! Wow, that's so beautiful. So quick. Wow, that monitor is wide. Dude, video editing like that, dude, that's crazy. That's my whole timeline. Now I can edit the video like this. It's so nice. You have so much room for your timeline to do the video editing. You can do a split screen. You have different inputs. It's perfect for a video editor because you have the wide format for your timeline. Look at that resolution. That's sick, y'all. Okay, we got another monitor down here. We can do other things down here. I can do another YouTube video. There we go. I got another one down here. I got 2 full screen right there. How cool is that? A 21:9 ratio right here. Super ultra wide. I can play videos here. I got multiple stuff right here. That screen is just amazing. I got a smaller screen right here from my laptop. You do so much. You can imagine the creativity you can run with this. The Photoshop, the video editing. I think video editing is gonna be the best. But just watching entertainment is just rocking. This thing is so gorgeous, so simple to set up, and so beautiful. This is the INNOCN 40-inch 3440 by 1440p resolution. This thing is crazy awesome, simple, easy. I love it. This is the INNOCN 40-inch ultra wide monitor right here. Oh yeah.